The microgravity environment of space presents an unconventional setting to study biological phenomena, allowing researchers to uncover novel aspects of insect behavior that would be otherwise inaccessible on Earth. Ants, with their intricate social structures and well-defined roles, offer a captivating subject for understanding how microgravity impacts collective decision-making, communication, resource allocation, and navigation. Advancements in fundamental knowledge. Studying ants in microgravity contributes to our understanding of basic biological principles, such as how social insects maintain cohesion and functionality in unique environmental conditions. This research has the potential to unveil the underlying mechanisms that drive communication, coordination, and problem-solving within ant colonies. Insights into collective decision-making. Microgravity-induced changes may impact the way ants make decisions as a group. Exploring how ants collectively assess and select optimal foraging routes or nest sites under altered gravitational conditions provides insights into the cognitive processes underlying decision-making in social insects. Applications in robotics and AI. Understanding ant behavior in microgravity can inspire the development of swarm robotics and artificial intelligence algorithms. By mimicking the strategies ants employ to navigate and distribute tasks, researchers can enhance the efficiency of autonomous systems in complex and dynamic environments. Implications for space exploration. Studying insects in microgravity has implications for future space missions involving long-duration stays, such as those on the Moon or Mars. Insights from ant behavior studies can inform the design of life support systems and human habitats, considering potential challenges posed by insect interactions in enclosed environments. Experimental setup and methods. Habitat design. Creating an environment conducive to ant survival and observation in space requires careful consideration. Specialized habitats provide ants with food, water, and a suitable nesting area, while transparent walls allow for behavioral observations using cameras and sensors. Key findings and insights. Altered foraging patterns. Ants in microgravity exhibit modified foraging behaviors, often navigating in more linear paths compared to their terrestrial counterparts. This suggests that microgravity influences their navigation strategies, potentially due to changes in gravitational cues or sensory perception. Nest building and tunneling. Observations of ant nest building reveal that microgravity can affect the structural integrity of tunnels and chambers. Ants may face challenges in constructing stable nests, prompting adaptations in their tunneling techniques. Communication and trophallaxis. Trophallaxis, the exchange of food and fluids among ants, plays a crucial role in colony cohesion. In microgravity, altered trophallaxis patterns may impact the transfer of nutrients and information, affecting colony dynamics and individual ant health. Exploration and adaptation. Ants exhibit remarkable adaptability to microgravity as they navigate and explore their environment. This adaptability underscores their ability to cope with novel situations and suggests potential applications in space missions requiring autonomous exploration and resource utilization. Future directions and applications. Comparative studies. Comparative analyses between ant behaviors in microgravity and those in terrestrial conditions offer a deeper understanding of the specific effects of altered gravity. Such studies can elucidate the role of gravity in shaping social insect behavior and communication. Molecular and neurological investigations. Advancements in molecular and neurological research can provide insights into the physiological changes that occur in ants exposed to microgravity. Examining gene expression, neural activity, and hormone levels may uncover the mechanisms underlying observed behavioral adaptations. Bio-inspired technologies. Insights from ant behavior studies can inspire the development of innovative technologies, such as self-organizing robotic systems, optimized network routing algorithms, and adaptive material design, all of which draw inspiration from the efficient and flexible strategies employed by ants. Space habitat design. Understanding how ants adapt to microgravity can inform the design of space habitats and closed environments for humans. By considering ant behaviors, architects and engineers can design habitats that promote efficient resource utilization, waste management, and social interactions. Conclusion. The study of ant behavior in microgravity provides a unique lens through which to explore the intricate world of social insects and their adaptability to extreme environments. By conducting experiments in space, researchers gain insights into the complex mechanisms that underlie ant communication, decision-making, and colony dynamics. These findings not only contribute to our understanding of fundamental biological principles but also have the potential to inspire innovative applications in fields ranging from robotics and artificial intelligence to space exploration and habitat design. As humanity continues to venture beyond Earth, the study of ants in space stands as a testament to the power of interdisciplinary research in unraveling the mysteries of the natural world and harnessing its potential for the benefit of humankind. I hope so now you will understand ants in space. Thanks for watching my content. If you like my content, press the like button. And subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos. Thank you. Goodbye.